This is me trying to play a game on the Xbox One. It's Battlefield 4. And I've put the disc in because I'm required to put the disc in. I can't load it to my hard drive like I could with the Xbox 360. And you will see I am not able to play my game. It simply fails. I have cleaned the disc. I have done everything I can. I have received no recent updates on Battlefield 4 to cause this crash. It simply fails. And back to the home screen. Let's try it again. And back to the home screen. Let's go look at the disc, see how it looks. The disc is in. Oh yes. And I don't know if you can see this, but this disc is completely clean and it's a fill. And if I could maybe have loaded the disc when I first bought the machine, I don't know if it's a bad Blu-ray player or what, but if I could have loaded it to the hard drive, perhaps it wouldn't have this problem, but I'm unable to play my games. Okay, just try to load it again. Let's see how it goes. And fail.